friends, good morning you all. Welcome once in statistic lecture. We are learning combination in statistics chapter number 6. Okay, we have completed first to 11 questions. Now today I am going to start question number 12 of a combination. Combination, it means a one type of a selection. Ways of selection is called a combination. Okay, that we already learned properly. Today let me move further sums. Question number 12. In how many ways can two peons be selected from 8 candidates? Okay, there are total 8 candidates, and out of 8 candidates we have to select 2 persons, right? So total combination is a our formula is a NCR. Okay, NCR, it means N means a total number of person and R it means a selected persons. Here selection of we have to do selection of 2 persons, so that is called a 8C2. 8C2. Now 8C2, it means 8 into 7 upon 2 into 1. 8 4s are 2 4s are 8, 7 4s are 28. So our answer is we can select 2 persons out of 8 candidates in a 28 ways. Now next question is there are 200 items in a box. Here again there are 200 items in a box and 5% items are defective. In how many ways can 3 items be selected that all the selected items are defective? Here first of all we have to find the number of defective items. Okay, so defective items is equal to, it is a 5% of a 200. So 200 into 5%, there are total 10 items are defective. Okay, again we will first find the defective items. So defective items is equal to 200 into 5%. So 10 items are defective out of 200 items. Here there are total 200 items. Okay, in these 200 items 10 are defective. So how many items are good? 190 are good. Okay, now in how many ways can 3 items be selected? We have to select 3 items that all the selected items are defective. It means we have to select the items from the defective items only, right? So total combination is equal to 10C3. 10C3, it means 10 into 9 into 8 upon 3 into 2 into 1. So we will get final answer 120 ways. Okay, here again you have to read the questions properly. Selected that all the selected items are defective. So whatever we have to select, we will select from directly defective items. So we have total 10 defective items, and from these 10 items we have to select 3 items. So that is called a 10C3. Okay, now next question. There are 3 white and 5 pink flowers in a box. In how many ways can, first let's see, there are total, we have 3 white flower and 5 pink flowers. So we have 8 flowers in a basket. There 3 flowers of a same colors be selected. It means we will select 3 flowers of a same colors be selected. It means suppose we select a white color, all 3 should be white, and if we select a pink flower, then all 3 should be pink flower. Okay, so total combination is equal to, if we select a first white, then how many total white flowers we have? 3 white flowers, and from these 3 flower we have to select 3. So it is called a 3C3, or it means a plus. If we select a pink flower, then all 3 should be pink. So we have a total 5 pink flower, and from this 5 we have to select 3. So it is called a 5C3. Now 3C3, it means a 1, and 5C3, it means a 5 into 4 into 3 upon 3 into 2 into 1. 3 cancel, 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10. So 5C3 is equal to 10. Now selection way is a 1 plus 10. It's a total 11 ways. Now second is 2 flowers of a different colors be selected. It means we have to select 3 flowers, and from these 3 flower 2 flowers of a different colors be selected. It means we have a total 8 flowers, right? 3 white and 5 pink. So from these 8 flower we have to select 2 flower and both should be different color. It means if first selected flower is a white, then another should be pink. Okay, so we have to select one flower from both the group. So it is called a 3C1 because we have only 3 white flower and we have a total 5 pink flower. So we will select one from the white flower 3C1 and we will select one from the pink flower. So it's a called a 5C1. 3C1 is equal to 3, 5C1 is equal to 5. So 15 ways we can select flowers in 15 ways. So that way both the flower color is different. Now last question. In an office there are 8 employees of which 3 are females employees and 5 are males employees. There are total 8 employees. Okay, in these 8 employees 3 are female and remaining 5 are males, right? Then 5 males, 3 employees are to be selected. We have a total 8 employees and from these 8 we have to select 3 employees are to be selected for training. In how many ways can the selection be done so that attend one male is selected at least? Sorry, here such a problem in a click. At least, this is a at least word. Okay, at least it means a minimum. We have to select 3 employee. In that way at least one male is selected for training. At least one, it means we have a total 5 males. Okay, so we can select one male. When we select one male, at that time we have to select 2 female, right? Suppose we select 2 male, then how many females? 1 female, because we have to select only 3 candidates for the training. We cannot send more than 3 person in a training. And suppose we select 3 males, then how many females? 0 females. Okay, so we can select this way, otherwise we can select this way, or we can select this way. So here 1 male, whenever we will use the odd word, we have to add the addition sign. See here 5C1, it means suppose 1 male then 2 females, so 5C1 into 3C2 plus suppose we selected 2 male, so 5CT. When we selected 2 male, then 1 female only be selected into 3C1 plus. If we select 3 all males, it is called a 5C3, then females are 0, so into 3C0. 5C1 means a 5, 3C2 it means a 3 plus 5C2 it's a 10, 3C1 it means a 3 plus 5C3 it's a 10 into 3C0 is a 1. 5 3s are 15 plus 10 3s are 30 plus 10 1s are 10. 15 plus 30 plus 10, it's a 55 ways. Okay, here in this way you have to complete the questions. Now most important thing in this sum is at least. At least it means we minimum we have to select one male. We can select more than 1 male in a meeting for the training, but we cannot select a less than 1. It means we cannot select a 0 male. Okay, here our chapter is also over. We will meet in the next session with a new chapter. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you. Have a nice day. And in this chapter for the combination and permutation, you have to use PDF for the notebook writing. Okay, thank you.